hosting our 4th distributor event this year. And there is always this magical moment for me when I finally have them all around as a part of the SIMStation family. Our focus this year is definitely on getting to know more and more what's happening in the world. Our key market in Europe from our Austrian headquarters is one thing. Then we have the SIMStation Incorporated in the US. But then we have a total of over 20 partners in almost 40 countries as our distributors all over the world. Every clientele is a little bit different. Their expectations, their needs, how they address simulation, and all this information really as a bulk we get at the distributor event, and that is so valuable for us.
The big things for me being here in Vienna was, and being at the SIMStation training, was this was the first time I had actually seen some of the products in real life. And one of the challenges that was put to us was to actually put together the systems, and you always get that inherent fear that, oh, I've never done this before, it's going to be really complex. We took the products out of the very nicely designed travel cases, we put all the components together, and it was literally red to red, blue to blue. And we went, this can't be this easy. And then we looked for complexities that weren't there, and it simply worked.
Of course, we had the Essential, the Pro and the Enterprise, and then the SIMStation Go is a nice fit on that missing spot. And also the headcam is a great success because it's a new way of videoing, recording the things you would like to see as a medical professional point of view. And that's a nice add-on. And I just learned that it's also possible in the enterprise systems with software version 6 and higher. So good innovations.
The highlight is, of course, the new stuff like SIMStation Go, of course. Also the other information related to the comparison of all existing SIMStation solutions. And of course the hands-on together with your support team, so it's great.
I think the software understanding, the OSCE session right now that we had, all of the sessions were very good. So as a complete package, I think we go back very well informed, better equipped, with an understanding.
Yeah, we met some of the distributors from different parts, and it's amazing to learn from their experiences, and sharing is good, especially they've been with the business for so long.
The team, the SIMStation team, it's always through emails, but now seeing each other's face-to-face made a big difference.
It was an honor to host so many people from, can you believe it, 20 international countries. That's when you really realize that SIMStation has become a global company. Especially since this year, we have also founded the second headquarters in Miami in the US. We have really big plans in America, and already the business is going very well. So there will be a lot of growth, and who knows, maybe the next distributors event will take place in Miami, Florida.